Hello everybody, my name is Lefty the Complication, and welcome back to another awesome Airsoft video. Today I am over at High Desert Scenarios in Bend, Oregon, with my dad, sister, and girlfriend. We're still doing the family trip. Don't worry, the day is almost over, and we can start getting on to more exciting stuff. Today I'm playing with my modified Lancer Tactical Gen 3 and my Jag Arm Scatter Gun, because, you know, carry both around, because I hate myself, I guess. I'm trying to be a sniper. It's not going very well. My hop-up still isn't quite perfect. Even, like, today, like, 2 months later, I'm still having a hard time getting everything
guy running around back
perfectly
in the
squared
trench.
away. One of these days I'm going to go out somewhere and just really hone everything in and get it finessed perfectly. Today's game mode is the standard, rush, domination, whatever you want to call it. Attacking team has to take objectives one at a time lengthwise. Defending team has to defend them as the attacking team pushes up. The defending team, us, respawns further and further back. Once we get pushed all the way back to the facility, that will be our last life, and once we're all dead, the attacking team wins. Right now, the attacking team is working on moving their way from the Pentagon to the hospital, and we are trying to defend these trenches over on the north side of the map. It's
Emma,
it's going.
Oh shit, there's a lot coming.
It always has to happen at least once a month where I put all my magazines
Emma,
in
you've
backwards
got like
and
5 or
cannot
6 coming
reload
up
for the
left.
life of me.
Okay. Yep, I see him. We got a couple of guys trying to pick him off. Wow, this wind is not helping.
Yes, it was the wind that made me suck. Definitely the wind.
I got 5 or 6 pushing your way. You do have one friendly right behind you coming to help.
With multiple hostiles pushing towards us, Cameron and my dad
One guy in
already
the white
eliminated,
building ahead of
and
you.
mine and my sister's positions already compromised, we're not off to a very great start, especially considering that I can't hit the broadside of a barn at this point. So thankfully we got a couple of friendlies coming in to maybe help us out and make us look a little less special.
I don't think that was me, but...
I was shooting at him when the hand went up. As the editor, I'm taking credit. That's karma for taking credit for it. Oh well.
You're already out?
Almost.
That was fast.
That's why I carry 8,348 rounds of ammunition on my body at a time. This is an estimation. Not even an estimation. I'm just
You're
gonna
out
call
of
it an
ammo?
exaggeration.
Already? Did you not reload?
But I have to babysit a lot, so I have way too much.
You should. Yeah, you should. Oh my goodness. This is empty. Shit. It's empty. Copy. I don't have ammo for you.
I don't know what happened, but apparently nobody has ammo, even me. I should probably stop wasting it. But shooting's fun.
Dad, on your right, watch this white building over here. Actually, it's not full.
This genuinely made me laugh. Thank you, Dad. You always have been and always will be my favorite comedian. Now time to sit back and watch me put 3 magazines into people and not get anywhere close, because accuracy is for suckers.
up.
Copy.
As more and more friendlies are being shot or retreating, and as I'm watching hostiles move around and then start to surround my position, my hindsight brain is telling me that now would be a good time to abandon ship. Evidently, that is not and never will be what happens.
Do we know what's going on the objective island?
No idea.
Copy. We're running low on ammo. One of mine was empty and Cam's was too. So we're all on our last mag, except for Dad. He's so majestic. Look at him go.
Let's just say if you ever have a gopher problem, do not call me, because I can't
north?
hit crap.
You said there's two?
I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what she said. I think she scratched something, but paying attention to Cameron is not something I've ever been good at. I will say, even though the enemy team has been able to push up, like kind of wrapping around us, we've still done a very good job of holding them to this particular point, and they're putting a lot of manpower into this general area.
One of the guys just left the wood, the red wood, pushing closer towards you behind the trenches. They do have the hospital, just so you know.
Can't forget my shotguns here too, just staring at the sky. Ain't got much else going on. I know my accuracy has been off all day, but some of those shots had to have hit, right? Like,
No.
come on.
We're out.
And because, why not? Now we are out of rifle ammo. I'm pretty sure all of us are out of rifle ammo. Now Cam and I are, Emma probably is soon, and thankfully Dad has his little SMG, so he's doing fine.
Put it in my big pouch. Shit. Can't get in that hole. They're wrapping around all the way. They're going to be completely behind us soon. We need to get in that hole.
I'm gonna say it. A for effort on the we will hold this position. Terrible idea for the plan to be, let's just know they're gonna wrap around us and
No,
hide.
you should be okay. Just let me know if it gets hot. Dead ahead from the north. They're coming in from the northeast. There's at least 10 of them in these trenches back here.
This might be a bad time to say I
There's
never
a lot.
actually graduated kindergarten.
Hit.
And now to go grab my way too expensive rifle that I left unsupervised and propped against the
I'm
wall
just grabbing
to
my rifle.
fall over. I don't want people getting mad at me because I get mad at people when they do this kind of stuff. This was a long walk.
You want it?
No, you use it. You're good.
Where should I throw it?
There's a lot of them over here. There's got to be at least 8 to 10.
While I was dying and walking, the enemy team took the center, and somehow I made a bunch of friends, and we're all going to push the north side to take out all the people hiding in the trenches, I think.
Swear to God, all my mags are out.
It seems like people are getting able to push pretty far up without too much repercussion. Here, if you want to lead, because you probably have a little more range than I do, we can try to make it out there. Oh, watch right, box.
Okay, remember, once you die now, you've got one last respawn in the facility.
And because why not? Now I die. Gotta love it.
We're having a malfunction.
Did we move up, Susie?
Yeah, I can do that.
And now scope cam, as per always, is having issues. Nice. Right now, what's really going on is most of the people on the red team are down to their last life, and we're defending our last objective. If the blues are able to wipe us out and or take this objective, we lose. And there's not a whole lot of time left for us to hold them off, so hopefully we'll be able to get them, but...
The hard part is right now, I'm just playing like last defense here, because I don't have the range to do much else.
What he said. My plan right now is to kind of just sit here, and if they come into the objective, shoot the crap out of them with my shotgun, and hope they don't shoot me back.
Hold these.
It's pretty simple.
Down here, opens. Push it to shoot more shells out. They are spring loaded, they will come out. Rack it and pull the trigger. If it doesn't rack, it's probably already racked. You're gonna get about 5 shots per shot. Just don't use it.
This is me giving Emma my final will and testament, and of being of sound mind and body, I am stating how to operate the shotgun so that way if I die, I'm just gonna set it on the ground and walk away.
Yeah, your last life. All the way back at the facility.
Were you on your last life?
Yeah. Right as he was saying it, I got hit.
Looks like you got some, maybe
Okay, I just need to know if they're like really close and coming for our building.
Blitz just moved up towards the building, but not this one. They're the next one out.
Yeah.
I don't know what she's doing. Not a clue.
You got one pushing up. It's not.
I'm gonna start cutting stuff because we've been sitting here for too long.
Do you still have any ammo left, Cam? No out. There. I'm kind of just gonna be focusing on Like a deflect. Did I take a shot in the head? Am I hit? I'll take it.
This happens to me a lot, where I feel like a gentle poke, and I don't really think I'm dead, but all I need is one video of some sniper 800 feet away, give me that one little shot in the noggin and not calling it, and then bad things happen. So, here's the Emma cam. Merry Christmas. Good job, Emma. That sounded scary.
Remember, you have responsibility. That's you're dead now. After you got shot.
They're at the fucking tires right here.
Hit!
And
Damn!
that grenade ended up taking out a large portion of the remainder of our team. And so then Blue made a push, got the flag, and we lost.
Oh, my ass
Wahoo.
hurts right now. Every single one of those.
And to add insult to injury, Emma's ass hurts, I guess. So in that case, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, remember to slap that like button down below
100%
and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment, like, share, all that stuff I just said. I'm going to repeat myself again. I can't tell you how many times I end up repeating myself in these, and it feels really like it goes full circle here where I say it, and then I say something else, and then I say it again. For example, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, remember to slap that like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video. Bye-bye.